Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making organic Chicago-style hot dogs with sauerkraut. As a native Chicagoan, I've eaten so many Chicago-style hot dogs growing up on the south side of Chicago. So my husband and I love making Chicago-style hot dogs at home with even better organic ingredients. So I'm going to show you guys how to make them. So we'll talk about the classic Chicago hot dog for just a minute so you guys know what exactly is on that one. And then I'm going to tell you what I'm going to put on mine. The traditional Chicago hot dog is made with a poppy seed bun and a boiled beef hot dog. We're not going to grill it. We're not going to fry it. It's always boiled. Then traditionally it's topped with a little bit of mustard, no ketchup. And now people get very heated about this issue, ketchup or no ketchup on a Chicago style hot dog. And I do both. I love ketchup, and I think if you like ketchup, you can totally put it on your Chicago dog. The reason that it's not on traditional Chicago hot dogs is because during the Depression, ketchup was used on hot dogs to hide the taste of poor quality meat. So it's a sign that your meat is of very high quality if you don't put ketchup on it. So that is why traditional Chicago hot dogs don't have ketchup, because they're using a high quality Vienna beef. So after the mustard, you're gonna get big slices of tomato, sport peppers, pickled relish, a little bit of white onion, and it's topped with a dill pickle spear. And the final finishing is a sprinkle of celery salt, which is an iconic flavor that you cannot skip if you are making Chicago-style hot dogs. But we're gonna make these Chicago-style hot dogs just a little bit healthier than the originals. So of course, we're starting with organic hot dog buns. And you guys can use poppy seed buns, you can use white buns, or even sprouted wheat buns, either works. And then I'm gonna use organic regenerative grass-fed hot dogs, and we're gonna boil them. And then we are gonna top with a similar topping, but also just a little bit different because it's made with completely organic ingredients. So of course we have our yellow mustard, and you can do ketchup if you want, I won't judge you. Then we're gonna top with some tomato slices, and instead of a pickled relish, I'm gonna do a little bit of fresh cucumber. This is because I have yet to find an organic pickled relish that is free of natural flavors, and I really avoid those whenever possible, so we're gonna use a little bit of cucumber instead. Don't worry, we're gonna get a little bit of tang and sweetness from something else. So then we're gonna add some chopped onions like usual, and of course pickles. And instead of sweet relish, I'm gonna top this hot dog with a little bit of sauerkraut. This is gonna give you a beautiful tangy flavor that you will absolutely love. And of course, we're gonna finish it with a sprinkle of celery salt. So the first thing I like to do whenever making these Chicago-style hot dogs, I would like to slice the tomato and the cucumber and the onion and pickles. That way I have all of our toppings ready, because the hot dogs are gonna boil in just a few minutes and we wanna eat everything when it's hot. So you just wanna cut your tomatoes into thin slices, and then we're gonna cut them in half. Then I like to cut the cucumber to thin slices and dice into small pieces. And then you're just gonna dice the onion. So now that we have all of our toppings chopped and ready, we're going to boil the hot dogs. So once our hot dogs are boiled, then it's time to assemble the dogs. And you guys can toast your buns if you want to, but that's totally optional. And you're gonna place your hot dog in the bun. First, we're gonna add our yellow mustard, and then of course ketchup if you want to. Next, we're gonna add our tomatoes and cucumber. Next, we're gonna add our diced onion. Then we're gonna add some sauerkraut. Next comes our pickles. And then we can't forget our celery salt. And now if you can't see the hot dog, then you've done it right. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, so good. You guys have to try these.